Welcome. If you're looking to connect more closely with your Pinterest followers, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to set Pinterest so you can receive messages from your followers directly in your inbox. Whether you're a creator, a business, or just love sharing ideas, opening up your inbox can help you build a stronger community. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all the latest features. Next, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile icon. This is usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for your profile picture at the very top and tap on it. This will open up your account settings and give you access to more options. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Social Permissions. Tap on Social Permissions to continue. This section controls who can interact with you and how. Inside Social Permissions, you'll see an option called Message Settings. Tap on Message Settings to adjust who can send you messages. You'll notice a list of options for who can reach out to you. Tap on Followers, then choose Inbox. This setting allows your followers to send messages that go straight to your inbox, making it easy to stay in touch and respond quickly. And that's it. You've now set up your Pinterest account to receive messages from your followers directly in your inbox. This simple change can make a big difference in how you connect and engage with your audience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.